I'm at the Blacksland Playground today in Silverwater, Newington. My son, who is here somewhere there, and so I thought, let's go. It's a nice Sunday afternoon, so why not? But it gives me a bit of time to do my thing. And I wanted to chat about a client that I saw on Friday. They are a mortgage client, but they're also a business owner. And I know they have a decent-sized business. They're turning up $1 million a year in construction. And he asked me to come on Friday to meet with the other two directors, and I wasn't really sure what they were wanted to talk about, or finance, but not specifically what type of finance. Maybe business finance, maybe commercial, maybe they wanted to buy another property. Wasn't sure, but I wasn't going to say no. So I went into the city and caught up with him, and he wanted to talk to me about tax minimization. And I'm sitting there and I'm like, okay, I'm not an accountant. I'm not a tax expert, but from the conversation, it became clear to me that the company's turning over enough and there's a good sized profit and they paid themselves a decent wage and they wanted to do what to do with their money moving forward. And so I shifted the conversation and said, okay, so it sounds to me like this is about wealth creation, but using tax minimization strategies. And they agreed. And I think it was a shift for them as well, in that their thinking was, how do we reduce tax? What do we do with this money? But it wasn't necessarily on how do we use this money to build long-term wealth. And once I shifted that thinking, their eyes opened and they're like, yeah, okay, so what do we need to do? What do we need to set up? Who do we talk to? What needs to be in place? How do we do that? How do we do that with paying minimal tax?